Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing your clip and setting project FPS to your target, 30 or 60. Once done, duplicate the clip immediately on new overlay tracks and keep them perfectly aligned. This creates the base for blur. Next, reduce opacity on each duplicated layer in steps. This blends motion frames together. Make sure the original top layer remains at full opacity so sharpness mixes with ghosted frames. These steps make motion trails by stacking exposures, which is the only reliable method inside. Once duplicates exist, you refine the blur by nudging each copy forward or backward by 1-3 frames. This staggers motion and creates a natural smear. Then, use transform on each duplicate. Move X or Y by a few pixels or rotate a degree or two. Small shifts matter. After that, apply a subtle directional or zoom blur effect to the duplicates only. Avoid heavy blur on the top layer. Together, offsets plus light blur simulate continuous motion, which is why this technique works. To finish, preview at full resolution, then export using the same FPS as your project and a high bitrate so blended frames stay clean. If you see ugly ghost edges, apply feathering or a soft mask to the subject to hide overlaps. Make sure duplicate opacity and blur are tuned. If motion appears choppy, increase duplicate count or reduce per duplicate frame offset. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, switch blend mode to screen or add temporarily. Then adjust opacity to remove harsh highlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.